dia a todos. Sejam bem-vindos ao HASCO Days 2013. Uma vez mais, estamos a organizar este evento aqui na Marinha Grande, já começa a ser um hábito. E sem perder muito tempo, nós vamos iniciar as apresentações, que hoje são muito focadas na parte da maquinação e do trabalho no HASCO. Mas antes de tudo, vou dar a palavra ao Sr. Dirk Baumann, que vai fazer uma breve apresentação sobre a HASCO a nível global. Ok? Obrigado.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are very happy to welcome you here on the Open Days, and I'm very happy to be here for the third time in a row and to present you the progress of HASCO during the last 12 months. Very briefly, starting with a little bit of tradition and history. HASCO was founded in the year 1924 as a mold maker in a town called Lüdenscheid in Germany, and this is basically our roots. HASCO, who is a standard part supplier today, started as a mold shop, making local molds for the local industry. In 1930, HASCO built the first injection mold. Plastics was coming into the business. It was backeliet and press tools, and at this time Mr. Hasenkläfer, the owner, started to build injection molds. Then, moving on during the 60s, the son of the founder made a patent about the standardization kit for building mold bases from standard parts. This was in 1960, and this was the start of HASCO becoming a standard parts supplier and moving away from the traditional mold making business. Okay, since that time we have expanded nationally and internationally, and there we come to a very important point in the HASCO history, the foundation of HASCO Portuguesa. In 1989, on the 26th of July, HASCO was founded here in Marinha Grande, and I think most of you know the HASCO history very close. From 1999, we expanded our production and stock facilities in the headquarters in Lüdenscheid, and in 2007 we had another significant step in our company development, and this was Berndorf as an investor, as the new owners took over HASCO in 2007, and this gave us the room for further expansion, investment into technology and market presentation. In 2010 we started a very intensive investment program in order to become quicker and increase the quality and the availability even more. So let's have a brief look at our present situation. What did we achieve? Sorry for the bad picture. If you don't see it, I can explain what it is. This is a high rack stock for 6,000 plates, which we put last year in addition to the existing stock facilities in order to increase availability. We built up the first stage of a new production operation. We are operating 6 days a week, 24 hours, producing plates in a completely new way. We are starting from sawing the raw material, which is heat treated and stress relieved, and cutting the plates and machining them fully automatic with only a handful of people, and everything is automized and handled by robots. We invested heavily in increasing our stock and our availability of plates and components. We launched a lot of new products during the last year, such as a tool, K3600, which is a small series mold, which allows you to build small series tools in a very, very quick and completely new way, as well as a lot of DLC components you will be able to see later on, and some innovative tooling gear. So what else happened? A very important step in our company development. We established HASCO in Russia. We are expanding our activities to the east. Russia is becoming a very, very important market for tool makers, but also for standard part suppliers. So we took the step to establish HASCO in Russia and to ramp up our organization and our team over there. Yeah, we furthermore invested in new CAD solutions with partners, for example, like Missler, TopSolid and others, in order to generate a new software for designers, which we will launch during the beginning of next year. Let's have a brief look into our future. What will happen in the next 12 months? What will happen until the next open day here in Portugal? We will roll out the new production concept furthermore. We will add additional machines and expand our capabilities of machining plate features, which means you will be able to order a standard plate with additional features like pockets, reference corners, lifting holes, gun drilling and other devices. This will be handled like a standard order because we have standardized the processes rather than the products. There will be additional investment in the supply chain. We will extend the stock facilities for the raw material, for the semi-finished plates as well as for the finished plates. And we work on a further reduction of transport times, which is especially interesting for the Portuguese market. Because the lorry right now, I think it needs 4 days. We are going to speed that up a little. Okay, good. Regarding innovation, we will see many new products during the K exhibition. This year in October, you know, in Düsseldorf, we've got the big K exhibition, very important point for us. And we plan to launch 9 completely new products. We will present 6 product improvements and we will extend the product range extensively. Furthermore, we will see additional international expansion. We will reorganize HASCO in China in this year. We will set up our sales and distribution network in the US, completely new. And we have got a project, the re-innovation of HASCO India, with a new team and new service. So that's what is going to happen during the next 12 months. Yeah, and furthermore, the big bang, beginning of 2014, we are planning to release a new software. You will be able to see the old HASCO software over there, which is pretty good, but we want to make it completely new. And this project is running right now very successfully. At the beginning of 2014, we will have a solution here to present you. Okay, so this was the future, just a brief look at the HASCO organization like it is. I already mentioned HASCO Russia. Here we've got HASCO Portuguesa, there we've got HASCO Russia. We are working on the global expansion. We will extend our sales and service network as we go on. And it's very important for us to do that with own companies and own people who are in the local industry and who understand your needs as a global organization. So today HASCO for you is a service provider. We are dedicated to mold makers. We will not take care of side business. We will not focus on different things. Mold makers and designers, that's our core business and that's what we are going to focus upon. We will take care about our core competencies. We focus on delivery and speed of delivery. I already mentioned the extension of stock in order to be fast, reliable and responsive to your needs for both mold bases and accessories as well as for hot runner components. Convenience, that's one of our biggest tasks. We want to make your life easier. It should be simple and convenient to work with us. We understand your needs. The local organization is working very close to you and that's our daily challenge to provide solutions to you and make it easy for you to work with HASCO. Innovation. We are and we want to be an innovative company. We invest in technology. We build test tools. We work together with partners in order to develop new solutions, new standard parts which we test and try in our own facility. So that is the root of mold making. We are not just a standard part supplier, but we want to be a technology hub for mold making. Last but not least, quality. Products and processes are of the highest quality without any compromise, and the whole thing with top service and competitive prices in order to make your molds the best in the world and the best in class. Thanking you very much. At this point, I want to end this short introduction and the view on the global HASCO, and I would like to hand over to Jose in order to lead you to the rest of the day. Thank you very much, Jose. Thanks.
Thank you, Mr. Palmer. O meu computador está um bocadinho lento. Pois bem, agora eu vou fazer uma pequena apresentação técnica. Vou tentar ser o mais rápido e sucinto possível. Vou falar ao fim e ao cabo, e vou iniciar ao fim e ao cabo a apresentação por vos falar dos revestimentos que estamos a introduzir atualmente nos nossos componentes, em alguns dos nossos componentes. Neste caso, será o revestimento que já muitos de vós já ouviram falar, que é o DLC. O que é o DLC? O DLC é Diamond Like Carbon. É uma camada de alta dureza que é constituída por átomos de carbono ligados entre si por um processo de hibridização. Eu hei de conseguir dizer esta palavra mais rápida no futuro. Tipo grafite, que é o SP2, e o diamante, o SP3. Ou seja, ele vai combinar as propriedades de deslize do grafite com a dureza do diamante. Para que é que serve esta aplicação? Para melhorar as características de fricção e de proteção contra o gripar das peças por via do movimento de dois corpos metálicos. Nós na HASCO usamos um DLC que é o chamado tipo amorfo, que é o revestimento que atualmente existe no mercado com as melhores características de fricção, dureza, proteção contra a corrosão, e é utilizado em maior parte dos nossos componentes. Mas melhor do que falar sobre o DLC, não há nada como sentir o DLC. Eu vou pedir aos meus colegas para vos fazerem passar uma guia, pequenina, e um casquilho, só para terem a sensibilidade de, ao fim e ao cabo, o que é o DLC. As principais características deste TTDLC é um revestimento que é feito a partir da técnica de deposição de plasma a frio, BACVD, que é feito pelo vácuo, o que é benéfico do ponto de vista na aplicação, porque é feito a baixa temperatura, ou seja, é uma temperatura inferior a 180 graus, o que faz com que nós não vamos estar a comprometer o núcleo do material, ou seja, digamos da peça de aço. Desta forma, não vai haver uma queda da dureza do material. Como eu falei anteriormente, isto permite um aumento das propriedades de dureza. Estamos a falar de durezas que são sempre superiores a 70 C. Ao fim e ao cabo, permite uma estabilidade térmica e química, porque o processo em si é um processo químico, não é? O coeficiente de atrito, desta forma nós conseguimos ter um coeficiente de atrito muito baixo, a dureza superficial é muito elevada, é cerca de 3.000 vickers, a proteção é total contra a corrosão, ou seja, no passado havia uma tendência para utilizar, e nós temos no nosso programa, os extratores